You ever build something so beautiful in your mind, and you get it in your hands, and it just falls to shit?
Semen.
What?
I love to walk in the rain. Look for me when it's stormy down some lazy lane, and I'll be there.
Had a rough day yesterday. So much anger. Not only with the situation at work, but with a personality there. It's nothing new.
I love to walk in the rain. In the rain.
Having had a day, a night to sleep on it and so forth, I realized that
You freak!
anger is just something I just don't want in my life. Anger.
In the rain.
Anger.
You freak!
Anger.
In the rain. Anger. Don't complain.
Cut. You ever build something so beautiful in your mind, and then when you get it in your hands, it just turns to shit?
You freak! What's next? What's next? What's next?
Hold up. Are you ready?
Dun,